Talk to us a little bit about what it means to TerraFirma to redefine the industry.
The notion of redefining the experience for the homeowner has just kind of become part of our DNA. Everybody here gets out of bed every morning, shows up here, trying to do a little better than they did yesterday.
1 year.
8 years.
2 years.
4 years.
18 years.
4 years.
2 years.
19 years.
2 years.
8 years.
4 years.
20 years.
It's really great when you come out to a home that really needs help, you know, when you find a good job and where they really need something fixed and you're able to provide it for them.
We want to try to do the absolute best job that we can every time we go out there, and that really is what redefining is to us.
Family.
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 We have each other's backs personally and professionally and in every capacity that there is.
Integrity. Integrity.
Integrity.
We keep our promises.
Resilience.
Resilient.
Resilience. We overcome challenges.
Mastery.
Mastery. Mastery.
We commit to continuous improvement.
If there's a challenge or something going on, we want to hear what everybody has to say.
We're trained so well, we understand things that I'm going to come up with something that's the best for them, best for the house.
We're either going to get it right or we're going to make it right.
So many examples where not just me, but any one of us is willing to go the extra mile.
Even when you have those rough days, you know that you have someone to rely on and to put your shoulder into.
Being here, working here, you know, I think we're the best. People don't want to go home.
Overcome, adapt, get better, try to improve every single day. That's what we do.